Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another makeup tutorial. I promise I'm going to get some more graphic design tutorials up in the future. I just have to get my setup right and the application, familiar with the application that I'm using, so you can actually see what I'm doing step by step. But in the meantime, makeup. So, you know I like long intros. Today on my eyes I'm using the Insatiable Notorious makeup palette. I've done a review and a look on this before. This is what it looks like, and everything that's on my eyes is from this palette. With the exception of my lower lash, I put Rimmel Scandalize on my waterline, but that's it. Everything else is from here. I want to prepare for a makeup class that I'm teaching on the 22nd. I'm using her products. I've used them before. They blend really well, and she has a lot of shimmers. Over here, a lot of shimmers and colorful shimmers, excuse me, and glittery looks, which is especially for the holidays, because around New Year's, around Christmas, you know, you see the glittery looks and the red lips. So this palette is really good if you want a shimmery, glittery look, because there's tons of shimmers, like I said, with some neutral colors on this side. Anyways, so enough about that. If you want to see how I create this somewhat quick holiday look, I'm gonna have to tweak it a little bit for the class, because I want it to be simple and I want everyone to be able to achieve the look. So I may tweak it a little bit, but here's one of the looks that I'm trying out. So if you want to see how to create this look, then please keep on watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next tutorial. Mwah! Bye!
Alright, so we're going to start off with this brown color. It's a light brown color, and I'm going to be using this as my transition shade. I'm going to be going back and forth with a small, it's like a really small blending brush, the smallest that I've seen. So I'm using the small blending brush, then I'm going to use the bigger Morphe brush. But first I'm going to use this little smudge brush, and I'm using that to pack the color in on the outer V, and then go back in with that smaller blending brush to blend it back and forth. We're going to be creating a halo look. So I'm going to be doing the same thing on the outer V, and I'm going to do it right on the inner corner. Next, we're going to go on with this matte black color, and I'm going to be putting this in the outer V and in my inner corner, and then blending that out with a Morphe blending brush. A couple of clips, that's all I'm doing is just going back and forth, packing on the color, blending it out, packing on the color, blending it out. This took some time because I wanted to build up that black color. I didn't want it to be that intense, but I want it to be noticeable though, so it took some time to build this color up. I'm going to go in with the shader brush along with Fix Plus to make it wet looking and more vibrant. And I'm sorry I didn't show a clip, but it's a gold shimmer color. It is so gorgeous. And I'm using this in the middle of my eyelid so that it lines up perfectly with the pupil. And now I'm just going back in with that Morphe brush, and I'm going back in with that brown color, and I just wanted to blend the two colors together. So blend the gold and the black colors together on the inner corner and the outer corner, so there's no harsh lines. Now I'm going to go with the foundation brush and my Lock It foundation by Kat Von D, and then I'm going to go in with my makeup addiction sponge and blend it out. Next, we're going to go in with Tarte Cosmetics Shape Tape Concealer in medium. And then I'm going to go in with my contour, LA Girl Cosmetics Toffee and Dark Cocoa for my contour color. And then I'm going to blend the highlight out with my Makeup Addiction sponge and blend the contour out with my Sephora Flawless Airbrush. And now I'm going to go in with my concealer with a concealer brush, and I'm using the toffee color, and I am sharpening up the contour and then blending it out with my Makeup Addiction sponge. Time to set the face. Using the Kat Von D translucent powder, I am setting my highlight, and then I'm going to set my contour color using the Luscious Cosmetics Matte Drama that I always use. I think I tap 3 times in the lighter of the darker shades and then 1 in the dark shade. And then I'm going to use a Morphe brush to blend out that contour. Now I'm going to sharpen up that contour even more with the Kat Von D translucent powder and use my Makeup Addiction sponge. I know it look crazy here, but I promise we're going to blend this out. And I'm using my Morphe MB3 brush to blend all of this and wipe the powder away. Going in with my flavor of the month blush. This is Milani Cosmetics in Romantic Rose. And then I'm going to go with my favorite highlighter from Makeup Revolution, Strobe Addict in Gold Addict. Then I'm going to line my waterline with the brown shade that I use as my transition with my pencil brush. And I'm sorry, I had to cut a clip of this out because I was covering up my face with the mirror and you wouldn't have been able to see it anyway. So sorry, I've been trying to be better about that and more mindful. So after that, I'm going to apply my Tarte Cosmetics Lights Camera Lashes on my lower lash line. Sorry, I'm sleepy. And then I'm going to go with my MAC Cosmetics Whirl Lip Liner. Use it as a lip liner and put it all over my lips. And then go with my Oh Baby from MAC Cosmetics. This is my lip combo for like the past couple of weeks. I've been trying to find my nude combo and I think I've finally found it. Finally. And then we are all finished. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next tutorial. Happy holidays.